Look, Hoodrich fam, at this point, I'm just trying to get rid of these goddamn hoodies. So when you purchase a hoodie, you will be receiving the Travel Hacking Off the Swipes ebook, the Shelf Corporation Age Corp Secrets ebook, all three for $39.99. Y'all tap in, link under the description for the website. What's good, Hoodrich fam, man? It's your boy Hoodrich Credit back again with another fucking banger, man. You feel me? Look, Hoodrich fam, today I got a very special video for y'all today. I'm gonna be breaking down some sauce with this institution by the name of DCU. I have broken them down in the past, but I really want to talk about something specific with their credit builder loans. Okay, y'all, I want to give y'all some sauce on what people are missing on their credit profile to get some high limit funding. This is a big mistake that a lot of people make in the credit game. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna give y'all a good option that you guys can choose with DCU when it comes to credit builder loans. Okay, y'all, so first of all, with DCU, what I want y'all to understand, we're getting straight to it. They are open nationwide, so you don't got no restrictions like Navy Fed or these other credit unions where they have strict restrictions to open up a checking account. So it's easy to open up a checking account. Also, too, with DCU, they might pull your check systems. So if you got some negatives on your check systems, like I say, go to checksystems.com, pull up your report. Check what negatives you have. If you have some, past negatives with some past banks, get that cleared. Go to them banking institutions, call them up, and try to settle something. Gotta pay us if you gotta pay something out of pocket. Okay, get it done so you can build relationships with institutions like DCU. Okay, those are the simple data points. We got that out the way. What else did I want to tell y'all? With DCU, they will be pulling your Equifax credit report. Okay, y'all. So I am talking about credit builder loans specifically on this video. But if you guys want to build a relationship with them, right, with this credit builder loan, and then later on apply for credit cards with them, some funding in general, they're going to pull your Equifax credit report. So this is an institution you could stack on the Equifax side. Okay, y'all. So this is what I wanted to show y'all. Give me a second. All right, there you go. Credit builder loan. So this is similar to the Navy Fed pledge loan, and I always recommend y'all the Navy Fed pledge loan. The reason why is because a big mistake that people make in the credit game, you guys don't have installment loans reporting on y'all personal credit. You guys need a mix of credit to get approved for some high limit business funding. Okay, y'all, on y'all personal credit, you need that credit mix. Okay, I always tell y'all, obviously you want to have some revolving credit cards, right? Just credit cards on your credit report. And also too, installment loans, and what will make your credit stronger also too is if you can have an auto loan reported. But that's the main thing. You need installment loans reporting. That's what you guys don't obtain. Okay, y'all. That's why I always recommend y'all, the Navy Fed pledge loan, because most of y'all have, checking accounts with Navy Fed. Okay, perfect. You build that relationship with Navy Fed, and also too, you can have a high limit reporting on a personal side. But now you have DCU as well. Okay, y'all. So with DCU, you can have max reported a 3K primary installment loan reported on your credit report, right? And you could choose a monthly terms. You could choose from 12 to 24 months. Okay, y'all. And remember, it's you using your own money to build credit, similar to self-lender and the Navy Fed pledge loan. Okay, y'all. So that money that you put up is not gonna be gone. All they're gonna do is charge you 5% on what you put up. Okay, y'all. So it's cheap. Like, think of it as like the price to build your credit, right? To have them positive payments reported. So now you got that installment loan history as well. Now you got that credit mix. When these lenders check your credit report and you got that credit mix, okay, now you look certified. They could judge you off each section, not only revolving credit cards, but installment loans. Okay, y'all. So they're just gonna charge you 5%. As you can see, up to 24 months. It's cheap. It's cheap as fuck, man. You could have a 3K primary reported. And what a lot of people say, right, they come to me and they tell me, why would I go with something like DCU when instead I could go to something like, let's say, for example, Credit Strong. They say, oh, I could go for something like Credit Strong, which I got to understand about those institutions like Credit Strong, right? Credit Strong, Kickoff, or for example, what's the other one? Self-lender. Self-lender is a good installment loan, right? These are good installment loans, but they don't really hold weight with you having installment loans with big institutions, with just institutions in general. Because what I want y'all to understand is, let's say someone with self-lender, who are you building a relationship with? What does self-lender have to offer you? You understand what I'm saying? What does Kickoff have to offer you? What does Credit Strong have to offer you? You know what I'm saying? So you have to get these credit builder loans. They hold more weight with institutions like DCU and Navy Fed. You're building relationships with major credit unions and major banks. Okay, there's some banks that may offer you a, a secure a credit builder loan. Okay, y'all. So that's the thing. You guys want to obtain them with these major institutions because look, once you get that credit builder loan, now you got them installment loans reporting. But at the same time, I always tell y'all, especially with institutions like credit unions, you building that relationship as well with them, right? So you got that credit builder. Now, when it comes to applying for the high limit personal swipes, you could get approved, right? Because you showed them deposits and you got that credit builder with them as well. So now you get a high limit on the personal side. Okay, you let that age for a little bit, and now you switch over to the business side. Okay, I'm ready for some business funding, especially with the credit unions that offer business credit cards, right? Because there's some credit unions that don't offer business credit cards. So I always tell y'all, you want to build a relationship with the institutions that do offer it. So yeah, man, y'all can choose this DCU credit builder. This is another option. Like I said, the main two best ones, get that Navy Fed pledge loan so you can build a relationship with Navy Fed. It's easy to get that high limit reporting with Navy Fed. They'll approve you for a high limit personal credit card anytime. They also too have a business credit card. So, you building that relationship on the personal side is going to give you advantage when you go for the business credit card. Okay, y'all. And also too, DCU, you building a relationship with DCU as well. Yeah, Kickoff, Self Lender, Credit Strong, they're good, right? And you can have more of a primary reported, but at the same time, what I got to understand is who the fuck are you building a relationship with, right? Who are you going to obtain funding from? These major institutions, credit unions, okay, y'all? So that's the little sauce that I want to give y'all, okay? You guys need installment loans reporting. Build them up with institutions like DCU and Navy Fed, just so you can have at least two. That's all you need, two. A lot of y'all try to add a lot of shit to your report. Your report doesn't have to be all like maximized. Like, you don't got to add a lot of shit to your report. I always tell y'all, 3 personal credit cards, something like that, right? Try not to overdo it, because if you overdo it, now when you try to go for institutions that have application rules and you got too much personal credit cards on your report, they're going to deny you, right? Because some institutions have some rules. For example, I always say it, the Chase with the 5/24 rule. That's a business credit card you don't want to miss. If you've applied for more than 5 revolving credit cards on the personal side when they personal guarantee in the last 24 months, you're going to get denied. And multiple other institutions have the application rules. So try not to overdo it. Personal credit cards have some like 3, have a high limit report, and I always tell you at least a 10K swipe. Have these 2 installment loans reported, right? DCU, you can get that installment loan reported. Also, too, you can get that Navy Fed pledge loan reported. Okay, y'all. Those are the only 2 you need. 3 personal credit cards, and if you can, have an auto loan reported as well. Okay, y'all. Some of y'all go for auto loans, and yeah, man, y'all can bust some plays. This is how you structure your credit profile very strong, so you can get that business credit. That's what I want y'all to obtain. Business credit cards, so y'all can run it up on whatever business you're trying to get into. Turo, event space, anything you're trying to get into. Trust me, this shit is easy. Don't make this shit complicated. A lot of y'all overthink this process, but you have to have patience. I want y'all to move correctly and not all fucked up. You know what I'm saying? I don't want y'all to move all fucked up. I want y'all to move correctly, even if it comes with patience, so y'all can build y'all personal credit strong. Now on to the business side. So hopefully y'all enjoyed this Hood Rich fam. Y'all have a good day the Hood Rich way. Come on.